In 2024, I had the privilege of flying my drone in a few places, taking exciting shots of beaches, buildings and open spaces. The earth is beautiful when seen from the sky. Amazing views and intricate designs are in rich supply. In this video, check out my top 3 drone videos of 2024. A breathtaking montage that will have your jaws on the floor. Feel the beauty, the thrills and the incredible views. So let's dive into the top 3 videos without further ado. The video of Manchester is popular on my channel for good reason. Yes, the city's got football clubs winning trophies season after season. It's a dynamic place with a vibrant music scene and rich industrial heritage, historic and modern buildings that you can find in this drone footage. From the city center with its cathedral and shopping centers, to the modern buildings in it that never ceases to inspire. We fly over Old Trafford, the iconic home of Manchester United, a theatre of dreams with trophies that have left many fans delighted. We then saw over the Etihad Stadium, home of Manchester City. Back-to-back Premier League winners with the home ground so pretty. Manchester is a blend of old and new, creating a unique skyline that is so captivating and inspiring, it feels almost divine. At number 2 is the video of Anfield Stadium, home of Liverpool FC. This iconic ground represents so much passion, energy and history. From above, you can feel the vibe of one of England's most successful clubs. Success that is likely to continue even after the departure of Jurgen Klopp. Premier League titles and other numerous trophies have been won, terrifying for the competition as the renaissance has just begun. The drone footage captures Anfield's size and might, the definition of a football club reaching for greater heights. Number 1 drone video is that of the vibrant city of Lagos, Nigeria. Known for bustling markets, stunning beaches and its jollof cafeterias. Lagos is a city that never sleeps, the hustle and bustle never stops. For the plantain sellers, the clubs, the police and the boys with laptops. We fly over the iconic Third Mainland Bridge, the longest in West Africa. You can feel the city's energy and traffic which requires mental stamina. Get a spectacular view of the sprawling marina and landscape. And imagine the heat and the sunshine for which there is little escape. We fly over Victoria Island, a modern hub with skyscrapers, luxury hotels and a skyline filled with companies' headquarters. Similar to Ikoyi, with its high-rise business and residential buildings, an affluent neighborhood with an environment so serene. Lagos is truly mesmerizing, as you can tell from this drone footage. A vibrant, colorful city with its own essence and a rich heritage. That's it for the video of the most amazing locations of 2024. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe if you want to see more drone videos of exciting locations around the world. Definitely, you should check out my top drone videos of 2023 and see which locations were more popular compared to those in this 2024 video. Click here to watch it now.